Hi Green Apple Girls, Ashley here and welcome to the video. Today I'm actually going to be showing you two different tips. The first one is I'm going to be showing you how you can take a frosty or shimmery lipstick like this one called French Skirt and give it more of a matte look. The second thing is I'm going to be showing you how you can take a darker eyeshadow like this one called Chocolate Martini and use it as an all-over lid color. So continue watching to see how to create this overall makeup look and get the scoop on those tips. For a while now, I've really been wanting to demonstrate how you can take a darker eyeshadow and actually use it as an all-over lid color. So in this video, I'm going to be taking the eyeshadow in the shade called Chocolate Martini to demonstrate this. So all you're going to do is take your wet dry eyeshadow brush and apply this eyeshadow from the outer corner and working your way in, because you still want the darkest part of the application to be on the outside and then it gets lighter as it goes inward. Next, take a little touch of the eyeshadow in the shade called Twinkle Taupe and apply that to your crease. To line your eyes, take the eyeshadow in the shade called Chocolate Martini and use that for your upper lash line, and then for the lower lash line, use the Twinkle Taupe eyeshadow. Finish off your eyes now by applying the Lash Project mascara. To complete the makeup look, go ahead and apply the lipstick in the shade called French Skirt and pair that with the lip liner called Natural. The natural lip liner with the French Skirt lipstick gives this a little bit more of a matte look, so if you're not a super huge fan of Frost or Shimmer, this is a great way to still enjoy this lipstick because it is a gorgeous color. If you did want to go back and add some dimension to the lips, what would be really pretty as well would be to take this lipstick and just apply it to the center of the lips to kind of highlight them, and that would be gorgeous. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye!